Holy crap, have you seen this? It is super cool. Search GPT is here. Google is probably going to be dethroned once the new OpenAI search engine called Search GPT is released. In case you didn't know, OpenAI created the amazing and powerful Chat GPT. Now they're doing it with a search engine, which is going to be pretty freaking amazing. And I can't wait for this. You can go to openai.com and make sure you sign up to be on the waitlist to get first access to this beast of a search engine. Today, I want to talk about 5 of the top features of Search GPT so you know how it's going to be different from Google and how it's going to change the search game forever. And you can see kind of a preview of it here. But what is really going to be cool about this is it's designed to give you an answer and be conversational. So meaning it will answer your questions with sources and where the information has come from, not too different from Google or any other search engine, but it's going to be more in a conversational manner rather than just spitting out a bunch of random information and a bunch of links that you have to sort through like you have to do with Google or other search engines. But the nice thing is, since it's conversational, is you can ask follow-up questions about the data that is already given you. And that is going to be really, really cool. So you can get additional information, additional follow-up questions based on your original question. Whereas like Google, if you ask a question and it doesn't give you what you need, you have to sort through the data or kind of just reword the question. You can't ask a question about the data that it gave you. So it's kind of like a one-way street. Whereas, Search GPT is going to give you a little bit of love back where you can have an actual conversation, which is going to be pretty awesome. The second thing, top feature that's going to have is going to be able to search for real-time information such as events, weather, local stuff, restaurants. So this is different. Obviously, you can search for this stuff in Google or Yahoo or Bing or whatever. But unlike ChatGPT, if you're using ChatGPT, since this is going to be kind of formatted the same way, you can't search for real-time information in ChatGPT. Well, this is going to be different, and it's going to give real-time information, which is going to just add to the level of awesomeness of this. Obviously, this is necessary. It's something that you would want. So that's going to be cool. And number 3 is going to be a super clean interface without jumbled links and information that may not be relevant. Again, like Google, you search for Google, you get ads, you get irrelevant information, tons of links. And you can kind of see here with this demo how clean it's going to look and feel. Just like it's kind of reminds me of ChatGPT in a way where it's clean and it's just a search box and it's going to give you super clean, relevant information to work from. So I really like the look and feel of this. So I think that is going to be a big perk. Number 4 is going to be search results will include visual responses with video, images, and an easy to understand format. So it's going to help the information. So you can kind of see here, there's some imagery here, which is going to look really, really neat when it's going to, the way that it's going to kind of break this down. And showcase it. Here is a good example of kind of the imagery that it's going to show here, kind of very clean, very easy to look at, and it just kind of accentuates what you're already searching for. So I think that's going to be pretty neat how they're going to format that with information and imagery and video. Obviously, now you search for Google, you will get some YouTube videos. Obviously, Google owns YouTube, but again, it's like which one's the most relevant to me. It's kind of like a jumbled mess of videos, so you may have to look at 3 or 4 videos before you find one that actually applies to you. So this is hopefully going to be a little bit more clean. And lastly, they say here that they are going to, if I bounce back, they say that they're going to partner with publishers and creators. So this is going to be pretty neat. I think it could be a good thing that they're going to use publishers and creators to create trusted content that protects journalists and publishers. So I think it's important to keep, for a search engine, to keep information relevant, accurate, and trustworthy. The internet and search results can often be kind of the wild, wild west. So cleaning this up can only help, and they're making sure to partner with people that are going to put the information out there that is going to be the most relevant and trustworthy sources. So it's going to be interesting to see kind of how this changes in terms of the results that you're getting and the relevancy that you're getting in your information. So a lot remains to be seen, but those are going to be the top 5 features with this right now. Now, I'm sure this is going to change as we get more information and people start testing this out, but get on the wait list. I think it's going to be really, really cool. I'm super pumped, super excited about it. And we'll see what comes next, and I'll keep you guys updated.